road test our 1969 Mercedes 300 SEL 6.3, which was really the 500e of its day. A barnstormer, if you will, for four. We're going to get in. I'm going to do a cold start. It's in warm-up, and I can tell you that everything is working. The air conditioning is working, which I'm not turning on at the moment. I've just tried it, basically because it is 30 some odd degrees outside. I will put up the window so we can hear each other think. Let's see. It is very cool because it has a factory sunroof. Woohoo! Close that as well. We're going to be back in a little bit when we're at operating temperatures like normal. Alright, we're at operating temperatures. We're going to go down the road. She shifts well, she brakes well, she tracks well. She's a very good looking car. As you're cruising, we can turn the radio on. I'm not sure what station. So as you can see, she's got a lot of passion, including from the radio. And she goes really, really